A quick look into medical disclaimer. Basically, this is, never disregard professional medical advice. This information is for education purpose only. Always listen to the docs. Anyway, you can read this on your own if you like. Okay, so as I mentioned, Chinese medicine is a nature-based medicine. And Chinese medicine describes health as a state of balance between yin and yang. Anybody heard this term before? Seen the pictures before? Yes, it's a very popular symbol. So the balance between yin and yang. Yin and yang. What is yin and yang? Allora, so let's move this a little zoom. Okay, so yang is the upper part, and yin is the lower part. Okay, so a little less fast. Okay, so yang is above, yin is below. So this basically represents yang is this white energy, and yin is this dark energy. And they are opposing forces. One goes up, yang rises, yin drops, goes down. And the balance, the state of health is when these two yin and yang energies work together. They're always working together to find the state of balance, this homeostasis that keeps the body going, that keeps the universe going. And in terms of the health of the body, when we are in general health, physical, mental, and emotional, these energies run very equal. There's no perfect health. There is imperfection in the perfection. So this energy is constantly working and keeping the system in balance. Then things happen. Then there's an emotion that gets triggered regularly. There is an accident, physical, an injuries, a mental parent. So what this does, it imbalance these energies. And then the body always finds the way to work with it. So that's the state of homeostasis. And as long as yin and yang are working together, we have this white, that's yang, we have the black, that's yin. And then inside the yang, the bright spot, there is a dark spot. And inside the dark one, there is a white spot. So what this does, because these two energies are designed to yang rises, yin drops, they separate. So these two dots, opposite color, is basically a seed. Inside the yang energy, this white, there is the seed of yin, this black dot. And then inside the yin, the dark one energy, there is a dot, white dot. This is yang energy. So these two seeds, once the energy reaches the peak, yang, this little yin start showing up, growing up, and then it brings the energy back. And then once the energy reaches the bottom, yin, then this little yang energy start waking up, and then it comes up again. Right? So this keeps this energy flowing and moving, and as long as this is happening, there is health. At death, when the body dies, there is separation of yin and yang. That's it, body's done. Mind and spirit, if you believe in it, continues on. If you don't, forget about it.